Hi, my name is Astrid Irizarry. I'm the medical esthetician at Lake Nona Ophthalmology, and today we're going to be performing a microneedling treatment on one of my coworkers. You're going to see the whole process in action. The first step we're going to do is we're going to numb the skin for 15 to 20 minutes prior to the treatment. Microneedling is not a very uncomfortable treatment, but we like to make sure that you're as comfortable as possible, especially if we're going to be working aggressively with your skin that day. So we're going to numb you, and then once we numb you for that allotted time, we go ahead and clean the skin and make sure that it's free of oil and debris. We use alcohol to degrease to make sure that there is no extra impurities on the skin after we've cleansed it off, and then we perform the microneedling treatment. Microneedling is a very quick treatment. It's virtually painless because we do use the numbing cream, but even without it, it's just a little uncomfortable. With microneedling, downtime is expected to be 24 hours at most. You are good to use makeup after your 24 hours of treatment. You might experience a little bit of redness, a little bit of irritation to the skin with microneedling afterwards. So to perform the microneedling treatment, we're using the Lake Nona Medical SkinPen, which is this device here. During the treatment, we also use a product called SkinFuse by Lake Nona Medical, which is a jelly water essentially. It just helps the needles glide on the skin pretty comfortably. So with the microneedling, what we're doing is we're causing microchannels in the skin, which are going to allow for collagen to start being synthesized and fill in those tiny little holes. That process can help the appearance of the skin by minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, tightening the skin, giving you a more plump appearance. It can also help with acne scarring. If you suffer from acne scarring, we do have different techniques that we use with microneedling that will help smooth out the appearance of acne scars. We can also use this treatment on stretch marks as well, or any type of scarring, as long as it's not a keloid type of scar. It's going to help smooth out the appearance of that tissue and make it blend into the skin a lot better. So during the microneedling treatment, I usually start in the T-zone area of the face because that area tends to be more sensitive and it doesn't have a lot of fatty tissue. So I start along the forehead, and then I move my way down to the nose, around the eyes, and then down to the mouth and the chin. Usually those settings are a certain depth, so that way it's more comfortable because again, the skin in that area is a lot thinner and a lot more delicate. And then when we get to the cheeks, we can be a little bit more aggressive. So I change my setting on the pen, and that way we get a little bit deeper into the tissues of the cheek. Now the microneedling skin pen can be used all over the body. It can be used on the face, on the neck, on the décolleté, as well as the hands or anywhere on the body where you might have stretch marks that you want to improve the appearance of. So once I'm done with the microneedling treatment, I go ahead and apply serums to the skin according to the patient's skin type and what they want to improve in their skin. So with this patient, I'm using Daily Power Defense, which is a serum by Zeo Skin Health, as well as Revitatrol, which is a post-treatment cream to help with any type of healing that we need to induce. So I've used these two products on her skin after treatments, but again, I can change it up for patients depending on what their concerns or skin types are. Another great quality about the SkinPen treatment is that it helps the products penetrate deeper into the skin. So when we're doing the treatment, if we're using a product infusion or you're just applying products afterwards, your products are going to have a better result for you, and your skincare routine is going to work more effectively. If you're interested in learning more about the SkinPen, you can call our office at 407-857-3937.